Hi everyone, welcome back to the Make It Simple YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you a simple tutorial. How to make TikTok sounds as ringtones and alarms for Android smartphones. But, before going to tutorials, I hope you subscribe to this channel first, and then click the bell button, so that you get a notification every time there is a new video from me. Okay. To set a TikTok sound as a ringtone. The first step. Find a video in the TikTok application whose sound you want to make as a ringtone. Tap the share button on this one. Then select the share option with save video. After the TikTok video is saved, open the Google Play Store application on your Android smartphone. Then download and install this video to MP3 converter application. I assume you have it installed. So, now, open the app. Then tap the video to audio menu. Next, select the TikTok video that you saved earlier, and tap it. At this point, you can give your ringtone audio file a name. Change the format to MP3. Then set the bitrate as high as 192 kilobytes per second. After that, tap on the convert button. And yeah. So far, you have successfully converted a TikTok video into an MP3 audio file. Now, you can tap on the Set As menu. Then you can immediately make TikTok sounds as ringtones, notifications, or alarms for your Android smartphone. Okay. Now let's prove whether the TikTok sound has been successfully applied as a ringtone or not. Okay guys. That's a tutorial. How to make a TikTok video sound as a ringtone or alarm on an Android smartphone. So easy, right? Hope this video is useful. See you in the other upcoming video tutorials. And thanks for watching.